Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to more Perilous Rift. My autosave put me at a weird spot, but don't worry, we just started the map. Yeah, okay. But we're gonna get right back into this chunky game. Feels really good. Oh, what do we have here? A boss fight? A big secret? Fallen comrade? Oh, that's right, I was just here. Нет, don't close door. We have to go this way. Oh, bad dog! F around, lay around, doggy dog. Huh. What do we got here? What do we got here? I want to use the gun. Shotgun. Oh, speedos. Bad dog. I like you. You're gross. Oh, dog. Knife. Knife. Ah, you call that a knife? What we got here? Due to numerous landslides, information, be extremely careful. The right path will certainly open. Okie dokie. I'm not too worried. My nose is itchy. I'm not too worried about that. Oh, big boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the sound of the gun cooling down. Alright, so we... Map. Is there a map? Is there a map? I'm gonna look. Game. Alright, well, I'll look that up some other time. We don't need no stinking maps. Oh. Okay, so that was like a dead end. What are you? Oh! Secret! Question, did it open up something over here? Сука. Yakudava! Did it open up? It's probably some down here. Wait, do I gotta shoot again? Nope. Well, a secret done opened up somewhere. Oh! Nice. You need to find access security card. Well, that big fat health was pretty nice. Oh, I hear baddie in here. I hear enemies. Interesting. Try to sneak up on me. This is a really cool effect in this hallway. I just really want to let you know I'm a really big fan of that. Yeah, before we go that way, though, we need more of these submerged levels. Or slightly sunken. Opa! What do you think? Give him one of those? Yeah, that sounded squishy. That sounded like a hit. Find and use 6 mega health items. You bitch. Oh! Alright, fair enough. That was dead on. Speaking of dead on, you lose. Oh! I feel bad for that guy. Of all the places to jump down, it was right in front of my shotgun. Oh, look at this big glowing bastard. I didn't notice how much they glow in the dark. Here we go. Yeah, that's right. Fuck with me, mate. Fuck you. Aw. It's fine, I didn't want to go that way anyway. Suck it! Who wants to rumble? Oh, this was, okay, sick. Opa. I will be out there. I don't know what that is, but I want it. Down, 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 down. This music is really good. Ba 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 ha ba ba ha ba 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 ba. Psych. I actually meant to go this way. Do 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 do. Bop. Boop. Sector B security system blocks exit. Find a way to unblock it. This way. Oh, he almost got one. He almost got me. Can they open doors? Sure can. Get out my property. Oh, we gotta go down. I like how their bodies jiggle when you blast them. Hit. Oh yeah, this is where I came in. Oh, itchy, itchy. Also, I'm gonna get some coffee. It's good, mate. It's real good. Neat. This little tank. I apologize. I do get turned around in these levels. Get a little lost down here. It's fucking confusing. Ah, there we are. You know what? I feel like I need this. Gimme. Quad damage. Come on. Who else wants some? Really? Aw, come on. Aw, come on. He gave me such fat quad damage. I want to shoot more things. Oh! Come get some. Come and get it. So. Oh, yeah. Oh, am I out? Nope. It's cooling. It's cooling. Aha. They have the same attack pattern as Chinese vampires. They can only go in a straight line. Oh, it's... Donk. There you go. Donk. Oh my... Donk. Ooh. I need a shotgun. I need my shotgun. Night-night, dickhead. You too. Ooh, yeah. Who else wants it? Oh, I got plenty. Oh, I got plenty. It's like skeet shooting, baby. That it? That it? That's what I thought. Come on, what else you got, punk? Aw. It's kind of hoping for more. I just wanted to kill the bad guys. Hey, what's that say, man? Probably reduces our ability to reset. Give me this shit. Scott! Yes. You cannot simply hide things for crouch jump. I am too powerful. Well, 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 well. What do we have here? Am I gonna get ambushed here? Can I swim in there, do you think? Kinda looks like it. No! Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. This is it. This is it. This is it, Lord. Okay, never mind. We're good. We're good. That was faking panic. I'm gonna have some coffee. Ah, lovely. Just lovely. What the hell is that? We're gonna go into 2 first, because I'm crazy like that. Oh, okay, yes. Uh-oh. This place is spooky. Oh, speed there! Dodge, dodge, dodge. Oh, stuck on him. Stuck on the spiders. Oh, yeah! Oh, dodge. You know, grenade launchers are an underrated gun in games. I feel like they don't get as much love these days. You know what had a really good grenade launcher? Quake. That thum 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 thum. It's just very satisfying. Oh, I guess the rifle's got full combat load. Okay, now it does. I want to use that gun all the time, but it runs out of ammo so quickly. I will take that, though. Well. What do we have here? Not stuff for me. Stuff I could hawk. What the frick was down here? Was this just a little secret? Oh, wait. I think I came in... this way? Bad dog. Bad dog. Oh, no, this was the one I came in. Okay. Just kidding. Knock, knock. I am in your house. Alright. I'll take that, soldier. Your duty is done. Yeah. What do you got? What if we go like this? I mean, that works. The knife got stuck on the bars, but you know. No. Secret switch? Yeah. Alright, just precaution. Oh yeah, brother! Come again. Grenade launcher rules. I like how secondary is just a rocket. I mean, Lasers do not hurt me. Alright, we just gotta turn on whatever that other button is. Oh my god, he did a little spin. That was impressive. Ooh! Oh, gotcha, you bastard. No, thank you. Don't blow up. I don't open boxes with knives. I use my gun. Well, I'm glad I got 2 done because... Stop it! Right. I'm glad I got 2 done because that was slightly more complicated. Oh yeah! What a little sneaky prick. Round 2! Remember, the quickest way to reload is switching to your minigun. Well. Grant me the access. Oh, there's nothing down there. It's just the... It's the reflection. Let that door open. Oh, am I going in? Why does it hurt?
This is a new message from Earth Command HQ. According to our data, this sector was severely affected by flooding. You can get access to...
I was just saying how I want a flooded level.
Pay extreme attention to troubled waters. There is little known about underwater fauna on the planet. Your mission is nearing completion, Marie. Make your way to the loading bay where the hazardous materials teleport.
The hazardous materials.
Reports. There you will find a chromosphere, an artifact of exceptional importance. Discovered during the development of crystallite mines, it is seemingly a mobile teleport device of unlimited range. This opens up incredible colonization opportunities. Your mission is to locate and activate the chromosphere in order to return with it to Earth.
Loading. Again, just really big fan of all the individual loading bars, so you know exactly when it's going to be done. And there we go. Find and activate the chromosphere to return home. Knock, knock. Actually, going to end the episode here because I have a feeling this is going to be a whole ass level. Thank you so much for coming back for our further trip into this deadly futuristic colony. And to my subscribers, thank you for coming back once yet again. This channel's made by people like you, and it will stay sustained because of people like you. Getting all hella dramatic. But until next time, I'll see you in that next one. Peace out.